Hello everyone, welcome back to mathsmood. Happy to see you here. Right, today I have a really interesting equation, exponential equation. We have 7 to the power m equal to 70, and we need to find our answer, of course, right here. We need to find our m. So I hope you will enjoy this video. I try my best to explain you as well. So first of all, let's divide both sides by 7. So let's take a look what we'll have. So 7 to the power m right here on the left we divide by 7, and right here on the right we divide this 70 by 7. So nothing changed, I just divide both side by 7. By why this is good for us? Because right here 7 to the first power, we all know this, but if we have situation like that, if we have a to the power x, we divide it by a to the power y, we will have a to the power x minus y. So we just subtract, if we have a division right here, we just subtract our powers. So let's do this right here. So we have 7, and in our power we will have m minus 1. Okay, what we have on the right, 70 divided by 7, we will have 10. So I hope you understand this step. What we're going to do next? Right here we have a classic like logarithm property, logarithm main rule right here, because if we take log from both of the sides, or if we take log from right here, so of 7 to the power m minus 1, and if we take log on the right hand side, log 10 right here on the right hand side, we'll have a really interesting moment, because this power goes right here behind this logarithm. We will have m minus 1 in the beginning, and of course log 7 equal to log 10. But I don't write it in the beginning, because I write right here always, because right here we have 10. I used to write as 10, but doesn't matter. But if you look right here, so log 10 base of 10, we will have 1. So this is equal to 1. And what we will have as a result? We will have a really interesting case, because we will have m minus 1. Right here we have this logarithm, so log 7 base of 10 equal to 1. So nothing hard. This is main log property. This is log 10 base to 10, log 2 base of 2. So it is equal to 1. But what are we going to do next? Take a look closely what we will do. Because we need to divide both sides by this element. We don't need it right here. We have only our m, so m minus 1. We divide by this one, but here we will cancel. So as a result, on the right hand side, we will have log 7 base of 10. So I hope you understand this step. And we don't need this one right here. We need only our 1. So we just bring this right here on the right hand side. So we'll have that our m, it will be equal to 1 over logarithm 7 base of 10, and of course plus 1. This is the better way to write it without this 10. So 1 over log 7 and plus 1. This is our final answer. So I hope you understand this explanation. If you still have any question, write your question in the comment. It will be really nice to read it. Thank you so much for watching. Who support my channel in the description. It's really important for me, and you helps me a lot. Thank you for watching. All for those who support my channel, it's really important for me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Have a great day.